My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobil 1.
Hey, what's up, Chris? Everybody keeps recommending synthetic motor oil. Conventionals work fine for me. What's the best to do here?
That's actually a very common question. Now, if you're looking to improve performance and extend your engine's life, then switching to a synthetic is the way to go. Synthetic oils are made with select components that are chemically manufactured to make an end product with higher purity and quality than conventional oils. The lubricant's molecules are engineered to be more uniform and consistent, tailored to meet the specific high-performance demands of modern engines. The customized molecules in synthetic oils provide higher levels of protection and performance, especially in extreme conditions. This is why synthetics have been used for decades in racing applications. The performance of synthetic oil is more robust in terms of viscosity retention, low temperature flow, high temperature stability, and protection against deposits. These attributes translate directly into less engine wear and longer engine life. Now, if you do decide to make the switch to synthetic oil, then choose the product wisely. The best synthetic oils contain an optimized mixture of additives that have been selected to complement the consistent characteristics of the oil and deliver maximum performance. Well-formulated synthetic oils degrade more slowly with use than conventional oils. As a result, they tend to retain higher levels of engine protection between oil drains. In addition to protection, synthetics also generally allow for longer oil change intervals. Some can last as long as 15,000 miles, which can help you save time and money in the long run. One last thing, before you make the switch, always make sure the viscosity rating and product specifications are on par with your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines. That's easy to check, as it's always right here in your owner's manual. Now, whether you decide on conventional or synthetic oil, there is one very important thing to always remember. Properly dispose of your used oil after every oil change. Your local auto parts store usually accepts used oil, but it's a good idea to give them a call before bringing it in just to make sure that they accept it. I hope I've given you a better understanding of the differences between conventional and synthetic motor oil, how they perform, and help you decide which is right for your vehicle. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.